Hello. I have been taking a break from working on my game to work on the website for the game, and I'm gonna show it off real quick. It's a very simple site. I'm using static HTML, Vite, Tailwind CSS, and Daisy UI. And I believe that's really it. So this is the home page. Uh, just instructions on how to get this game running for any developer who wants to fiddle around with it or work on it themselves. Uh, it's assuming that you have a GCC compiler installed on your machine. Also, it's assuming that you're running on Linux. If those conditions are met, pretty straightforward instructions for the person to follow. But that's just the home page. In the footer, I have the current game build and the current website build. These numbers are updating dynamically every time I push to my development branch. Uh, I have a script in place that updates them every time I make that push. So that's pretty cool. In the footer, I also have my little portfolio site linked here. If you click on my name or created by, it'll take you to my portfolio site. And I have two icons. Somewhat hard to see. I'm not done with the styling of this completely. If you click on here, it'll take you to the releases of the game. If you click on the little X logo, it'll take you to my Twitter. Scrolling back up, you just got your home button here. It takes you back home. We have the GitHub. It'll take you to the full repository, not just the releases like the other logo does. Click on the pages. It'll open up. Home is home, obviously. Media will take you to a page of screenshots showcasing some things during development that I've been working on, how things previously looked. This is the very first version of the hero creation right here. This is like the first day that I was working on the project. Looked like this, very cluttered and just no escape characters used, nothing like that. Um, so that's what this page is, just kind of showcasing some stuff with a brief description on what that thing is and around the time it was in the game. Maybe it's changed at the point you're watching this, who knows. Same thing with the footer. Scroll back up, you have one more page called patch notes, and this is more of a progress project progression page, and you can see patch notes by clicking on any one that's green, but there's only one right now because I just finished 1.0. Um, Yellow is in development. This is what I'm working on, not really right now, but hopefully in the next couple weeks I start back and working on the game here. Each patch or each pre-release has a little code name that I've given it that kind of embodies what it's about. Blue is planned, things that I actually do really want to work on, and hopefully I can get to it in these both in next few months, next couple months. Red is things I would like to work on, but very far off into the future probably because of I don't know just how much I have to work on. I don't know if I'm still going to be working on the game that far, but I labeled them as brainstorms. You can see here. So yeah, this is updated as well. The green one, like I said, you can click on. It'll take you to the change log. None of the other ones are clickable. And that is it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish some styling up, deploy it, and um, share the link. Thank you.